What's going on, guys? It's Trav, and on today's how-to video, we're going to be cleaning a Spincast reel. So these are kind of, as I call them, the basic reels that a lot of people use. There's nothing wrong with them. They're easy to use reels. I recommend them for anybody that wants to just go out and fish. But we're going to kind of break it down a little bit, and we're going to clean it up. So this is what it looks like. There it is. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and remove this top here. Alright, got it off. There's the inside. Make sure you have a screwdriver. I use the one that has the multi-function, that way I can change it if I need it. But next thing you're going to do is, almost all these reels have a way to take off the handle. So just go ahead and take that off. If you loosen it enough, you can probably just finish it off by hand. So take that off, take the handle off. Alright guys, so I got the handle taken off, and now we're going to slide this out. Every little Spincast reel is different. This one kind of pushes out from the side a little bit and comes down. So, as you can see there, you got to see all the good gears and all that good stuff. So, again, a lot of people use lube. I like to use WD-40 personally. So, you got my WD-40 here. As you can see there, all at the side there is a bunch of little gears that turn. So, all you do is kind of coat these a little bit. I'm going to spray quite a bit in there just because this thing's old. It could probably use it. So, there we go. Kind of spin this around. I'll get those gears moving a little bit. Definitely feels a lot smoother already compared to what it did. Just kind of spin these around a little bit. So, we got all that done. Next, of course, is the top part here that spins. Just going to kind of aim a little bit of this down in there. Go. Kind of spin that down in there and make it go in. Now, there's a little spot right here. I'm going to go ahead and throw some in there. Good. So, you got that part done? You know, let some of that drain out. There's going to be a little excess just because. Take a towel. Kind of wash it down a little bit. Got that going? What we're going to do now, I'm going to go ahead and slide this back in. Alright guys, got that back in there. I'm going to go ahead and coat this just a little bit right here. That's where the reel goes back in. So, slide that back on. Go ahead and put that screw back on there. Up. There we go. Got a nice, smooth running reel now. Going pretty good. So, go ahead and place that cap back on there. There we go. Got a nice, smooth reel now. So that's kind of a quick method to kind of break open a reel, kind of clean it up. I hope y'all learned a lot from this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And remember to hit that subscribe button down below if you're enjoying these videos. Until next time, guys, keep it real.